It's hugely important on a project like Veterans Expedition Overland that we don't take life too seriously. The relationship that myself and John have transfers to everybody round about us when we have a bit of a laugh and a joke. And the fact that we know nothing about mechanics, just talk rubbish most of the time, it's really important that that transfers across to everybody round about us. So it's important that we take some time out and just have a bit of a mess around.
Oh, hello John! Oh! What are you up to?
Hello. I said we was going in the bush.
Ah, you're certainly in the bush. How did you end up here?
Well, I was trying to get a sat nav. A sat nav brought me here.
I don't think it did.
Jeep, is it? It's not a sat nav, it's a Jeep.
Gee, what? A Jeep?
Jeep.
A Jeep?
GPS.
We don't use Jeeps. We use Land Rovers.
Aye. Land Rovers. No. Chances of a bloody fine thing. It's not bad this, is it?
What is it? Is this your new house?
A wee shelter.
Is this where you've been staying?
Aye. Aye. See, my bed's in the back there.
Where is it?
In the back there.
What, under that leaf there?
It goes back further.
Under that leaf?
Aye, right about back there. Right, goes away back there.
How'd you get on with your ablutions here?
Well,
Because you're awful concerned about doing the toilet all the time.
You dig a wee hole.
Where'd you dig a hole?
Well, I'm at my bushcraft course.
Oh, your alright, your bushcraft course. Who taught you? Was it Daz?
Daz, he's a good lad.
Or was it
He's well known.
Duncan?
Duncan's a good lad. It was
Right.
the you, that's for sure.
That's harsh.
That's very harsh.
Harsh, yeah.
I'm not too happy about that. That's my.
Not too happy with what?
That's this bit here.
This one's for ventilation though.
Aye, that's the guest suite.
What's this one called then?
Number one.
Number
Number one.
That's number one.
Number one. Number 1A, that is.
Number 1A.
Aye.
So who lives in number 1A?
Guest, that's a guest suite. I just told you that.
Can I live in number 1A?
No.
How?
It's not big enough.
What do you mean by that?
Well, it needs a bit bigger and it needs to go back further, you see.
How?
That's for people my age,
Oh, your age?
my height as well.
Yeah. No, it looks quite big.
It's not too bad.
Looks alright that.
The only thing is, see that main road there?
Aye, that main road out there,
Right,
aye.
I'm not too happy about that, so that needs to be blocked off of the night time.
Right, we'll get the police to do that, right?
Police to do that, right? And
Right,
we'll get road close signs. We can get some of them at the football.
So we're going to call this, what's it going to be called? John's place?
Aye, no, John's gaff.
John's gaff.
John's gaff. See?
You're always making gaffs, you, aren't you?
No, I'm not making gaffs. There's one gaff I'm going to make, that one near the back of your neck.
Aye, you tried that one in the gym before, didn't
In
you?
a wee bit. Rope you in a wee bit.
But Daz, what have you got to say?
I love it. I think it's really good, John.
Nice,
Right, so what is it you're building, Daz? Come on, tell us what you're building.
Tell us what
Well, we're just going to build a couple of shelters, you know,
couple of shelters, huh?
because we're thinking about staying out tonight.
Is this like a demonstration place?
Yeah, it will be.
It will be, aye.
It will be.
You're not having him staying here permanently, are you?
Well, yeah, I need him to guard it at night.
Oh, he's a guard now, is he?
Yeah, yeah.
You're no better off getting a gurkha or something like that.
Well, no, I think because John's just right. He sort of fits in with the woodland look.
You think so? With the white shoes on, look. Where did he get them?
I'm normally wearing these in the woods.
Oh, you're normally your Timson's 1999 non-slips.
Man, see, something you slipped in earlier. See, I wasn't due to come up here till 2 o'clock, but I'm out early.
Oh, what are you doing? Where's the dog gone, by the way?
My dog, he's probably chasing pheasants because I shot one on the way up.
Alright,
Aye.
so
What's he doing up there, like?
I think he's tidying the place up.
Is he?
Aye,
Wants to pick all this stuff up here.
I think that's getting tidied. That's going on there, by the way.
Got one of them wee
That's your
things.
roof.
Right?
That's your roof for 1B or 1A, is it?
No, that's one here, that's one.
That's just one.
Aye, see this branch here?
Aye.
A wee lantern hanging down at the night time.
Alright, a wee nightlight.
Aye. And this, we'll mark the spot out now, right?
Aye, aye.
That's where the fire's gone.
It's not a very big fire, is it?
No, but it will grow big.
What do you mean it'll grow big?
Well, we'll make-
What, do you plant it or something?
Are you stupid?
I'm just
This
following
is
your
enough.
lead.
There's enough plants about here. There's a dog there, look. There's a pheasant. You know that a pheasant?
How you doing, Mac? Alright?
Aye, that's Mark.
Aye, Mac. Hey, Mac, you keep on warm at night time, do you?
Aye. Well, I don't know what to say. We'll come back later and see if this is done, because if it's not done, then we're going to have to find somewhere else to sleep tonight.
Somebody's going to play Merry Hell with that there, isn't it?
Aye,
I thought
yeah.
yours was done. I thought you were already sleeping in there.
Aye.
Bit overgrown, is it no?
It needs to be a bit tidying up, but I can get there.
You get there, will you?
I can get there.
Watch yourself in that hole there.
Ah! Have you seen round the back?
Oh no, I've not seen round the back yet.
Aye.
I've seen round your back before.
No, I tell you.
I was wearing your grollies at my heat at the weekend, wasn't I?
You don't be wearing my grollies when you come here and visit me.
Oh, see, that's alright, that.
Right, thanks for that.
There's good cover there, isn't it? Look, if I was walking through here at night, I wouldn't see that.
You wouldn't see me.
Aye, but the fire might be a giveaway.
The fire might be a giveaway, and so might the wireless.
The wireless?
The wireless might be a giveaway.
How are you going to plug your wireless in?
We'll have to get some batteries for that.
And
There's no electric up here, you know that, don't you?
What?
There's no
Well, they
electric.
plug sockets.
I will see. It's a big bit of cable. Run from there, from the road, up here. There's a wee BT box up that end.
So you've got a fridge?
Aye. No, you don't need a fridge.
I know.
Because you're living in the wild. You don't
Oh,
have fridges in the wild.
so are you like John Scott of the Wild?
How can you say the wild?
Well, what are you saying? You just said wild a minute ago.
Aye, I can be wild.
I've seen
you
that in the
can't-
gym. I've seen that in the gym, but
Aye,
it wasn't.
aye.
It
You
wasn't
can see it in
scary.
the gym.
It wasn't scary though.
It would be if you'd have managed to get into the into that bloody ring. Tell you, that'd have been scary for you.
You think?
Aye, I don't think, I know.
You've tried that one before, have you know?
Aye, aye, the one then.
I'm not sure what Daz makes of all this.
Aye, I'll tell you something.
The Royal Marines isn't like this, is it, Daz?
There's a wee- See this, there's a wee gap here. See the gap?
You've got no sense of humour.
See the gap there, aye?
See the gap? Gap, what does? This
Aye,
needs building up a bit.
I'd tell him what to do. John, shout out at him and tell him what to do.
Right. It's nearly time for dinner. Not too happy with that axe here. Then. Somebody could pick that up and chop their fingers off. But somebody's left a satchel there, look.
What kind of axe is it, you think? Do
Looks like a wood axe, eh?
you think it's a Gransfors?
A what?
A Gransfors axe?
It could
Woodman's
be.
axe?
It could be, but no, without reading the label, it would
You've not
coming.
really got a clue, have you?
I've no.
You've no?
I don't use axes.
I know.
That's a...
Oh, right, so a karate chop
Aye.
type thing. Are you a trained killer then, are you?
See this? This is not a karate chop. See that?
Oh, hi. I'm impressed.
Aye.
Try it with that one now.
Pull that hut.
Try it with that other one now.
Well, this one.
Aye, this one. No, I'll get it on camera.
You think I'm stupid? Eh?
Aye.
Aye.
Right.
Right. I'm not there's somebody left a satchel up there. Might be some sandwiches in
Do you think that might be them there? They might have done that.
Aye, intruders. Aye.
No, they're not intruders, they're building the shelters.
Need to protect my property.
Right.
Halt! Who goes there?
Daz.
Daz! Enter.
No, you're supposed to say Daz who?
Daz who?
Daz Hennessy, innit?
Daz Hennessy. He's quite popular, Daz Hennessy. Hennessy, even.
You've not got a clue, have you? What?
No, I've not heard of many Hennessy's either.
Daz. Meet John. John, meet Daz.
Hello, Daz. How you doing?
Hello, John. Nice to meet you.
Yeah, I'm the caretaker.
Yeah, well,
Oh, you're doing quite a good job, I
we're
must say.
expanding.
You're expanding.
Yeah.
You
Aye.
got planning permission?
I've been expanding for years.
Aye, we can see that.
I need to keep on buying bigger
We can see
trousers.
that. That's why you couldn't get in the ring.
What?
Because the rocks are not wide enough.
Right, that's enough of that. I've had enough of you, by the way.
Right, come on.
Alright.
There are other things to do.
Oh, have we? What?
Somebody up there punching wood.
Oh, we're picking up a trailer this afternoon, aren't we?
We're going to do that.
Aye.
Yeah.
We're going to be building the vehicles again this weekend, aren't we?
Yeah.
Aye.
Some of them will be, aye.
Who's that then?
The ones up there.
Alright, that's fair enough. John, what are you up to then, mate?
Well, you see, I've had a hard day today. So what I'm going to do is
It's raining leaves. What happened there then?
strong gust of wind. That's
I
what
see you
happened.
stood up today then, aye?
I've stood up. See, I'm getting the right height.
Aye.
Can you see? I've even got my flask.
Right.
Night time.
So there, John. Here's Dad's coming out to help you.
Hey,
Did
Dad,
Dad?
oh, you want to take a seat? That's,
Yeah.
that's
Morning.
one of-
Oh, he's the
one of
right
these
height.
chairs. These are in nearly.
John, can you show us around your complex?
Aye, I can. No,
John, just come here a minute, John.
no, I can't go any further. I'm not going any further because you're taking the mickey.
Gonna come for a walk.
No, because my legs are badges.
How's that then, John?
Aye,
I see you get your new trainers
aye,
on
get the
today.
trainers on, they're white, aren't they?
Aye, they're
You
good
shouldn't be
that,
wearing
aren't
them in the country. You shouldn't be wearing them in the country.
they? Aye.
But however, I need to change my socks because I'm getting a wee bit damp.
How's that then?
Aye,
Is that because you're near the grun?
He's got holes in his trainers now.
Oh, you
Why
hold your
tracksuit?
trainers. I'm not
Because
saying
you've got
nothing.
trainers in the
So
winter.
this is where you've been staying, is it?
Aye, it's all right in there.
Aye. I see you're the right size for it. Daz, you're a wee bit too big for it.
Aye.
Yeah, I'm going to build another one sort of somewhere down there.
Aye.
Daz is building a 2 up, 2 down. He's
Two
got
up, two down, yeah.
2 up, 2 down. He's got planning
So
permission.
yours is the bungalow then?
Aye, mine's a bungalow.
I think it's more than a bungalow though, isn't it?
Nah, you can live in a bungalow. You know why that is?
How's that?
Nothing up top.
What?
Aye, you know what?
No, I don't know what.
Aye, you know what. Right, away and give me peace.
Does?
Hello.
What do you think of him moving into your new house?
Aye, it's nice, isn't it? I'm not too happy with this pole.
Welcome to it.
The pole's near the same size as me. I need a... Dad, see if you can get this smaller.
Come on and wander out here, Dad. Sorry, John. Come on, wander out here and show us a bit.
No, I'm not wandering.
What?
I'm not wandering.
Just shuffle yourself across.
No, I'm not wandering the day, right?
I know.
'Cause I'm not.
I know.
Right, I'm not. That's better.
There you go.
Oh, that's a better one, aye.
There we go,
Thanks for that, Dad. Thanks for that. Thanks for helping him out.
Look after him.
So, this is where you've been staying, is it?
Aye,
And what's this one here then?
Aye, that's for the guests when they come, see?
Aye.
Aye.
Right. Do you want to show us in how you get in it?
No, I'm not going to show you just yet because I'm not ready for bed yet.
Yeah, I
I'm
know.
not ready for bed.
I know.
I've got a couple of things to do. I need to go a bit of tracking, get myself
Oh, tracking.
for the night.
Tracking.
Tracking.
What does that involve? What's that? Like animal traps?
Aye, animal traps.
Like bears and things like that?
Aye, bears.
You get bears here,
Aye,
do you?
bears, eh.
What kind of bears?
Grizzly ones.
Grizzly bears?
You get some here and you get some up that road there where the centre is. There's a big grizzly bear in there.
What? Like that one there with the beard?
No, he's
No,
not
that's Daz. That's Daz, that is.
grizzly.
And that's
Dad is
Duncan
grizzly.
there.
That's it. Turn the camera around.
And that's Mark here.
Turn the camera around, you'll see who's grizzly. Right, away you go and give me peace. I'm trying to...
No, I want to
blend
see. I
myself-
want to see you having a wander.
No, I'm trying to blend
Come and
myself
stretch
into
your
the
legs, John.
Guys, stretch your legs
I'm
out.
stretched enough.
Uh,
Aye.
Oh, John, I can see your feet from here, by the way.
Can you?
You're no stood up at all, are you?
I'm no stood up at all.
I
Away
don't know.
and give me peace, right? Because you're getting on my nerves.
How's that?
Because you're getting on my nerves, and I'm going to set one of the local animals on you.
Look, the bears.
No, they're up in the tree there.
What's that then?
Vultures.
Vultures. You're quite good at this bushcrafty stuff, aren't you?
I am.
Very knowledgeable person.
I am.
What kind of vultures are they then?
Aye, they're American vultures.
Oh, American
Aye, they're
vultures.
just here hibernating.
No?
Aye, they're enjoying the sunshine. Aye, there's one up there, look. See it? Aye.
Now that sounds like a. What does that sound like? A sparrow or something like that?
Oh, I thought it was a bumblebee.
Aye,
A bumblebee.
Aye, I tell you, some
Well,
of it's
I
a
suppose
mix.
that looks like a vulture. They haven't done it. The same size. I mean, if you put it in context, like, you know, wee guy, bumblebee, looks like a big vulture, doesn't it?
See, it's quite nice in the summer. It's nice in summer, nice and quiet and peaceful, apart from the road behind you. And sometimes you get the occasional tourist walk up here.
Tourists?
Tourists, and they bring their dogs
Are
up,
they coming to see you, are they?
and they come to see me.
Aye.
And they don't bring any papers though. They don't bring any papers.
Aye, you fancy get the paper delivered in the morning?
Aye, daily sport, something like that.
Alright. Mark, what do you think of this house? Are you going to stay in there with him?
Nice
Keep him
and
warm?
right.
Right, Toulouse, let's go.
Let's go, right?
Right, Toulouse.
Come on, away
What?
you go. On me. I've got things to do here. I've
Right,
got
come on,
to tidy
come
up.
on then, let's go for a wander then.
I've got to tidy up here.
Now let's. You get your brush.
Aye.
You're
No,
back on the tools.
no, my brush is in the locker.
Right, you're
It's
boring me now.
locked. It's locked.
Toulouse, go for a wee wander then.
No.
Please like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow us on Facebook and on Twitter at VIA Charity.